Right, now most of us now own one of these, a smartphone. It's completely changed the way that we use our mobiles by being able to browse the web, send emails, use video playback, and one of my favourites, being able to play Angry Birds on the train. You would have thought there isn't much more that these devices can do. However, I found an app that is going to completely change the way that we use these devices all over again. The app I'm talking about is this, Vlingo. It's basically a voice transcription service on most smartphones. It lets you talk into the phone to search the web, to dial contacts, and even update your status on Facebook and Twitter, all by the power of your voice. It's designed to run in the background for quick access. The full application has an ultra-simple user interface with just 2 buttons. What you can say brings up a handy help screen showing the commands that are recognised and giving some examples, while press and speak is how to use Vlingo's main functionality. So, for example, if I want to search Google Maps for anything, I want to find something, all I have to do is get the Vlingo app up, use the press and speak button. Now I'm going to look for petrol stations in Birmingham in my local area, so find petrol station Birmingham. I have to tap to stop it and then it starts to think about what I've said. Now because I said find, it will trigger the Google Maps and should bring up petrol stations, fingers crossed. So there we go, it's brought up from what I said, it's recognised it and brought it up in text, petrol station in Birmingham. So all I have to do, tap on there, it'll bring up Google Maps with my location, and there we go. You can see all of the pinpoints of where the petrol stations are in my area. Now, this is great and works with a lot of the basic features on your phone, so you can use it with text, you can use it in email, you can talk to it to bring up a website. It's completely up to you, but one of my favourites has to be being able to update my Facebook and Twitter status using this. Facebook update, I'm filming web TV. There we go. Again, it starts thinking about what I've just said. There we go. It's brought up new status and it's filming web TV. It also has voice dialing. Now, this is something that's already on quite a few smartphones, but Vlingo has a real accuracy. With this one, you can either call a contact at home or at work. You have the option of the numbers. There we go. Tap, press and speak. Call Colin work. Listen to what I've just said. It's now looking for Colin, my contact. It's looking for the work number, and it is now initiating the call. There we go, and it's connected. With some smartphones, it can be very cumbersome using voice dialing, but with Vlingo, it's actually one of its best features. Overall, it's a great app. But the downside is, of course, with most voice-controlled apps, you have to be 100% clear, otherwise it is going to struggle to hear what you're saying. So if you're in somewhere like a bar or somewhere very loud and noisy, it is probably going to be a little bit useless. But for a free app, it really does expand the usability of your phone and does a tremendous job.